In this video, I will show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. First, open your browser and search for the official Spotify free trial. Depending on your country and eligibility, you may see an offer for a free trial. If you're eligible, follow the instructions to activate it. For the second method, open the Spotify app on your phone and sign in to your account. Tap Premium and check the available plans. If a free trial is available for your account, select it and follow the instructions to activate the offer. For the third method, you can check Microsoft Rewards for available Spotify rewards. Open the Microsoft Rewards dashboard, select Redeem, and search for Spotify. If a Spotify Premium reward is available in your region, you can redeem it using your available points and follow the instructions to activate it. Keep in mind that these offers vary by country, account, and eligibility. And that's how you can get Spotify Premium for free.